Max, you don't like that. Jeez. Yeah, I brought out some stuff, some things that had sat in the fridge for a while and gone bad. Things like coffee grounds, banana peels, paper cups, you know, bits of veggies, odds and ends. Put them in, went ahead and put them in there. And of course, the cat always comes around, wants to sniff it out and look at it and try to determine whether or not she wants to eat it. Actually, it's a him. He. But, yeah. Oh, I think the cat saw something go down that hole. I have had groundhogs. Did that cat go in the hole? Did you go in there, Max? I've had groundhogs digging. Well, Max is happy today. Do you see something out there, Max? Max really doesn't keep the critters away. Max just kind of watches them and plays with them. But anyway, right down in there, see where my hand is right there? My finger's wiggling. There's a hole right there. And I have a live trap set over there, and I did have Bricko blocks trying to guide. Let me see if I can get in there and show you. Get past some of this stuff here. I don't want to get this stuff stuck on my clothes. Well, anyway, we'll move to a different spot here. All right. I don't know if any of this is poison ivy or not, but you can see my live cage in there and how I had put Bricko blocks around it. Anyway, Groundhog's been digging under the deck and then going under my utility room and then under my house. That utility room is on a concrete pad. You see how it's just an extension. A washer and dryer is in there. And then there's another door going into the main part of the house. But the groundhogs have dug under there. I was trying to catch them in the live trap. So I ended up with one in the live trap a while back, and then I relocated it. Then I brought the live trap and put it right back where I had caught one. Well, anyway, the groundhogs are smart. All right. Anyway, groundhogs are smart. They get in there and they dig under the live trap and under the Bricko blocks and create a whole new entrance. I don't know if you can see that in there. But yeah, so now I gotta get tough with them. Damn things. I'm gonna have to start catching them be more aggressive with them, I guess you could say. And get those darn things moved on. I'm really kind of fed up with them. But you can see how, they got a little path running across there. You see it right there, and it comes out right in here. You can see footprints. You see how their footprints are, how they've been pushing this down. And they go around this. You see? They go around it. Then they go out and about the yard. And, they go out here and do stuff. But you can see that little trail on there. But you can also see other little trails. They got little trails running all through here. So there's a little trail right here. Of course the cat, comes through, but the cat doesn't always take the same path. So So the cat just meanders around and goes here and there. It doesn't always take the same path, but the groundhogs do. For some crazy reason, I don't know why. But you can see, at least I think you can see it. They just come on out here. That's that tree that fell down. I need to start chopping on it, or get my not my bandsaw, but my chainsaw out here. I didn't want to come out here and start cutting on that tree with my chainsaw while it was wet and rainy and the ground was moist, because it's an electric chainsaw. You peeing again? You've peed 5 times since I come out here. You got a bladder infection? Huh? What? You got a bladder infection or something? No? Okay. Alright, well, I guess I better get back in the house. I don't know if this is going to be a cat video, or a groundhog video, or a raised bed kitchen scrap video. I don't know. It's like every time I come out here, the cat wants to be part of everything I do. Ain't that right, Max? Yeah? Okay. You still like my boots? Hmm? Still like my boots? Yeah, I think Max saw something go in that hole a little while ago. That's why he ran over here. There's probably a groundhog just sitting there looking at me, and I didn't even know it. That's the way it goes. Those things will sit and just watch. If you get too close, they'll come around, or not come around, but they'll booger off. They'll hide. I gotta get all this cleaned up. But I've got a surprise right there under those stacked up rocks right there. I'm gonna do another video on that. This is gonna be a long project for me. Probably a series of videos on that. But that'll be a surprise for later. So, all right, so look at that cat. Always in my way. Let me get my stuff together and get it in the house. I'll be bringing out some more cardboard, and I'm going to put a layer of cardboard over all that. And then I'll put some more dirt over the top of that cardboard. You gonna help? Huh? You see something? You gonna help? No? You gonna help? What do you see back there? Do you see something back there? I wonder what it was. All right, well. Okay. Always in my way. Get out of my way. Dang it. I've already fed you. You think I'm out here talking to you, don't you? Yeah, everybody else watches me talk to my cat. I'm the crazy cat man. All right. Tell you what, man, it is a nice day. Look at that sunshine. I don't see a cloud in the sky. Beautiful, nice day. It's going to be a nice, sunshiny day. All right, I guess that'll do. I'll talk to you later. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Give me a few comments here and there. Let me know what you think. Whenever I catch one of those groundhogs, I'll let you know. I'll make a video of that too. I gotta be careful because I don't want to accidentally catch my cat in a trap, or anybody else's animals or anything. And that's the tough part about trying to catch wild animals, or even in a live trap, you know, sometimes somebody's pet or your own pet will wander into it. And that's why you don't ever want to have one, you know, that's set up for, um, you know, hurting them or killing them, because, you know, you set that trap, you go inside, and, you know, you come back out sometime later or the next day or so, and you find, oh no, you done hurt your cat or your dog or somebody's kid. You know, you got to watch out for that stuff. So you always got to be safe, and you always got to be watchful and considerate of pets and other people's little children, and even adults. Some adults will freaking stick their foot in a trap. So got to be cognizant of that. You gotta, you know, make sure you don't accidentally trap Max. That's right, Max. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Give me a thumbs up. Talk to you later. Bye.